Hello everybody. Today we're going to do the double TV antenna 100-mile test. I got some other stuff I'm going to show y'all too. You know, I told y'all my mama gets more views than I do. I'm going to show you her channel. Well, I'm going to show you one of her videos, a clip. But I'm going to take this I'm going to take this down the road. And I can't get Augusta here at this house because see them trees through yonder? It's rough, boy. And Augusta's that way. But I got to take it to where there's a clearing. But it's 100 miles away, and their strongest channel has only got 400,000 kilowatts. And where I usually point at is Macon, 60 miles away, and their weakest station is 500,000. So that tells you, that tells you right there about this Augusta channels. They ain't really real good ones to go try your antenna out on. Now, if you didn't get to see me do this video right here, I done this in like the other day from today, and I tried it at 100 miles. That's the all-in-one TV antenna, and I come out here a while ago and I took the Channel Master booster off of it, put it on here. I want to tell y'all what my next video is, so y'all might want to subscribe to me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an ultimate antenna without the screen, the reflector. And I'm going to set it up and turn it toward Macon or set it up. And what I'm going to do is turn it around in a circle and let you see what it's doing on the meter, because it do act funny. I got a video where I'm talking about, you might not need a reflector, but I'm set up out here in this field. I guess that right there might be about like 8 foot, I reckon. And keep in mind, it's 100 miles away, and them stations don't have much power. And you see my cord coming down. It runs into my power supply box here. See, it's plugged in right there. See, when I go try an antenna for somebody, put one up, I have to have a power supply, because I basically stand it up like this, but except for I lean it upside the house and I check it and make sure it's good to go. Here's my setup. I got everything ready. I want to show you something, man. I was going to sneak up here and do it while it's cloudy. Look at that. Sun done come out on me. I'm fitting to scan in a second. I'm going to tell y'all something that I always been kind of hesitant about telling y'all. We got a TV station in Dublin where I live. It's called TV35. I actually got one video where they was interviewing me on it. But this station right here is what I first made an antenna for, because this is an independent station. It ain't on the satellite. And they got a show in there called Oconee Trading Post. And that's where you call in and buy, sell, and trade. I like that. And I used to like the woman that was on there doing it too, but anyway, that's what that's all about. Alright, I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I know I get new viewers all the time. And see this right here? It says available. That's the Wind TV I'm using right now. Alright, I'm going to click tuner setup. Go right there to digital. And click next. Okay. That's scanning there right now, and we're gonna see what it does. Alright, it's got the scan complete. That right there is a Augusta channel, and I'm gonna click OK here, and I'm gonna pull the signal meter up and let you see it too. Click on TV. Should go right to that channel. See me fighting with this mouse. Okay. I'm going to pull the signal meter up too.
Get off, man.
You see that 6.2? This is Augusta. It's got a 23 on the meter. I've never seen that meter like go over 27. This is 100 miles, y'all. So keep that in mind.
Good morning. I'm Helen White from Georgia. Thank y'all very much for watching this video. Okay, then you take your grout